Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty sure that Dirk's mentioned in a couple of the previous videos that he's done that we eventually want to get into beekeeping. Well, you know, we have the bee garden and everything, and we have some friends that are into the beekeeping, and he had dropped off a box to hopefully attract some bees to it so that we could get a swarm. Well, we hadn't seen any bees around, and oh, the box has been there maybe a week and a half. Well, I was walking out to check on my chickens this afternoon to do an egg pull, and I had to stop and say, what on earth is that sound? And for the first time in my life, I actually got to witness a bee swarm, and it was the coolest thing. Of course, it's not where our box is set up when I witnessed this, and I'm gonna try and see if y'all can see it. I can't zoom in on here, but hopefully y'all can see. Maybe. I think I can see it through this. But right there at the tip of my finger is where they are, and there's a lot of bees up there. I had to call Dirk. He was at work, and I said, Dirk, you are never gonna believe what I'm witnessing right now, because we've not actually seen anything like that, not since we've lived here on any of these trees. So it was just really cool to see them all flying in the air, and I actually got to witness all of them landing and everything. And while I was watching, there was suddenly no more in the air, and they were all swarmed together there on that branch. Well, Dirk was messaging our friends, and he asked if there were any bees down by the box, and I happened to be checking the rabbits, and I turned and looked down there, and from where I was standing up at the rabbits, I could see bees flying around. So I said, well, I'll be there, sure are. So that's where we're heading right now. We've got our box set up. And I don't know if this means that the bees that are swarmed over there on that tree will move over here, or if that's going to be a completely different swarm. I have no idea. I hope y'all can see them flying around. And you can see them just coming in and out of that opening. That is so cool. All right, so I am down here at the bee box. You've seen some of the bees. And I think that I'm actually gonna set the GoPro up. It's gonna be in direct sunlight, and it's pretty warm today, so I don't know how long she'll last before she overheats and runs the battery dead. But I'm gonna have y'all set up over here and see if we might be able to get some cool footage of all the bees from the other tree moving into this box. There sure are a lot of them over here. There might be just as many bees in this box right now as there are on that tree. So it's pretty cool. This is a first time experience for Mama Bear, so it's pretty cool to get to see. So hopefully we'll get some cool stuff on video. If not, well, you know, you've at least seen some of the bees and seen the swarm that's in our tree. So we'll go from there. So let's see what we can get.
Hey guys, Natalie got to witness something awesome this week, and she got some really good footage of it. But here at Mama Bear's Homestead and More, we are trying to get into beekeeping. So I've been talking to a few beekeepers, and some friends of ours, he's been beekeeping for 20 years plus, I think. But anyway, he's very smart with bees, and he brought me a Nook so we could try to trap bees. And we had a swarm in the yard in a tree, and I don't know why, but the swarm did not move in. But we still have bees around this Nook. So I don't know. I wish I knew more about bees. Just like everything else, you know, I'm gonna get into it and learn it as I go. So yeah, keep your fingers crossed, and maybe by the end of the week we'll have an active beehive. But the one good thing is, even though we didn't catch those bees, I went ahead and ordered a hive, bee suit, the tools, and a smoker. So now I will have all that stuff for when we do catch a swarm. But yeah, I wanted to update you on that, and I'm super pumped about it. Alright, so I'm going to leave this video here with my buddies, my few little honeybees. And Natalie got some footage of the bees flying in and out. So we're gonna end it here, but if you want to watch the footage of just the bees going in and out of the box, and it's awesome footage, that will be played after I'm done talking. So as always, friends, keep on keeping on.